Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
In November 2020 Chandor double tracking protest case, Vasco Railway Protection Force has filed charge sheet before this court. Today all the accused appeared before this court and court has provided all the accused a copy of that charge sheet and has fixed next date of hearing on 15th June for arguments over the charge.
There were thousands of people at that protest. However, only 5 have been made accused. Among those thousands were prominent politicians. The leader of opposition himself was there. Our ex-deputy chief minister was there. MLAs from 2 or 3 other constituencies were there. Activists, political activists who were there, who are now MLAs. However, none of these guys have been charged. This is selective targeting of my clients who happen to be environmental warriors for the last 15-20 years. There is not an environmental battle that is fought in Goa which is not led or somehow these people are playing a role in. And this is a message that is being sent by the government of Goa and the union government that environmental activists, whoever is standing up for the environment, are going to be put in their place.
आणि आम्ही असले कसले कोर्टाक आणि कायद्याचो दुरुपयोग जो जाता ताका आमी मातशे सुद्धा भिनात. गोंयकार एकलो सुद्धा असले बारीक केसीक भिनात, कित्याक आमी जो वावर करतात फक्त आमच्या भुरग्यां खातीर आणि गोंयचे खातीर करतात आणि आमी सदां जिखतले 100% खात्री आसा.
With Omkar Flari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.